In this class, we are going to talk about variables. A variable in programming is a named location in primary memory. It's like a bag that can store value inside it. The value stored in a variable can usually be changed throughout the program execution. When we write a Python program, we will create many variables which store values. The values stored in a variable can be numbers, like integers or floats, or text-based like strings or other data types. Don't worry, we are going to talk about each one of them later. Let's see this example. Write the following code in a new notebook cell. my_name equal Bara. Then run the cell. Remember, you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+Enter. We created a new variable and give it the name my_name and store the value Bara inside it. Let's use the print command to show the stored value. As we mentioned, part of dealing with variables is giving them names. Python has some rules that you must follow when forming a variable. A variable name may only contain letters, uppercase or lowercase, numbers or the underscore character, but no spaces. May not start with the number. May not be a keyword. Keywords are reserved words in Python. If we break any of these rules, our program will exit with a syntax error. However, not all variables which are syntactically correct are meaningful to human readers. There are a few guidelines that we should follow when naming our variables to make our code easier to understand by other people and by us. This is an important part of following a good coding style. Be descriptive. A variable name should describe the contents of the variable. Do not use abbreviations unnecessarily. They may be ambiguous and more difficult to read. Pick a naming convention and stick to it. This is a commonly used naming convention in Python. Names of variables should be in lowercase with underscores. In some other languages like Java, the standard is to use camel case with the initial letter lowercase, but this style is less popular in Python. Let's create a variable that stores your height and print it. In the next video, we will learn the different types of numeric values in Python. See you in the next video.